Hey, to play songs on the YouTube app in the background on your Android device, let's say that I want to open any random song. Okay, let's get, for example, this one. And now as you can see, when I click to close this application right here, it is not playing anymore. So what we have to do? For sure, we have to get the YouTube Premium. And thanks to the YouTube Premium, we'll be able to watch and listen music in the background. So we have to click here to get the YouTube Premium. And now you have to get this blue button, you have to click on it, and that's the paid that you have to get. And also there will be also display the cancel time, and here we can find all of the features of the YouTube Premium. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.